Hey folks, welcome to my channel once again. So today I'm going to make a mango jam. So as you can see here, I have two lovely ripe mangoes. This one is what we call like a Julie mango in the Caribbean, Julie mango. Well, at least in Trinidad and Tobago we call this mango Julie mango. This one more looks like what we call a long mango or like a kidney mango. The shape is like a kidney. Yeah, smells so good. Okay, so I have two mangoes and I have the juice of half of a lemon, and I have 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the mango and cut it up in smaller pieces, and I'll show you exactly what to do next. Okay, so here's my mango, pieces of mango that I cut up. It came up to 250 milliliters. That's about 1 cup of the mango, right? It has already a lot of liquid in there. It's moist, it's ripe. So I don't need to add any liquid at this point. I'm going to use my hand blender and make a puree out of this. I will leave a link for my review on this product on the top right hand part of your screen, and I'll also leave links, purchase links in the description box below. Okay, so that didn't take that long because it's nice and soft. So I'm going to transfer this to a saucepan and put this on the stove. Okay, so here's my saucepan on the stove. My mango puree is in the pot. I'm going to light my stove on medium heat. Just stir this a bit. I'm just going to simply add the other ingredients, the water, lime juice, sugar, and just mix this, keep on mixing until it gets a nice consistency that we get of a jam. This will take about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to put it on a high heat to get this to bubble faster, boil faster. As it begins to boil like this, I'm going to lower down the heat to medium heat. I'll just keep on stirring. So I want to show you the consistency right now. It's like watery, so we want to get it thicker than that. So I just want to show you the difference from now to the end product. As you can see here, my liquid is nice and thick, and most of the mass has boiled down, and I think I'll let it boil for another 5 minutes before I turn off the stove. Oh my goodness, look at the jam. This is the finished product. Look how nice and thick that is. And realize how it's nice and clear, you know, clear color. Really nice. And you'll also notice too that as it gets cold, it gets nice and thick like this. Can't wait to taste it. I'm going to put a slice here on my freshly homemade whole wheat bread. I'll leave a link for this in the top right hand part of the screen. Look at that. Look at the color. Amazing. And you can also transfer this into, like, if you have a glass jar with a cover, and put the balance in the fridge. Keep that going, baby. So if you enjoyed this recipe, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. So good. Delicious.